Girl, get it right. It's for TV. We gonna be on TV.
Okay.
Girl, your eyebrow's gone.
I'll call you. It's Pastor Tasha. I'll call you.
Come on, Pastor Tasha.
Come on.
It's nice to meet you. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. And I ask that your company just grow like you need it to grow.
Oh, it does need to grow.
All right. Well, we're gonna
Just like my edges, girl. They need to grow.
Y'all have a good one.
You too, girl.
Okay, he's doing right now. He just uses this stuff. It's like that color.
Alright,
Her with that developer. And mix it up. And they are
20 minutes later.
Okay, so we're gonna take the tint off. I'm gonna come over here because it's easier. So we're gonna take this off. And her brows are gonna be just so cute.
This looks like this is done.
All right.
What are you using to remove it?
Water.
Okay.
Girl, your eyebrow's gone. I'm kidding.
I was reaching.
She was like, no, you didn't.
They fell out.
And that's me too.
Okay, so do you want to leave the, well, I know you don't really want to leave the stain like that, but do you want to leave some stain? Because you know some people want stain, some people don't.
It's fine. Just shape it up however you do. You know, I'm fine with it.
They look awesome, girl.
Alright. So we're going to get the stain remover. Get this stuff shaped. Even open.
Girl. Come on, fundamentals.
You want to help me, Roman?
Which
You can
one?
do the other side. Shape it. I'm gonna put him to work because he's lazy. Like, get to work.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm on the phone.
They got me in here like a slave.
Okay, they both want to do one and one.
Teamwork make the dream work.
Okay, they are very concentrated right now. You can make it coming from here.
Who's this pretty Roman?
What's that? What you thought?
His head blew up.
Girl, get it right. It's for TV. We gonna be on TV.
Okay, they are on. You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, they are look like that. Show her mirror.
Huh? Oh. You want to sit up? Let's sit you up.
Okay.
Okay.
It's like looking into the future.
Okay, good job.
Okay, so what we're doing, Instagram, Facebook, or
Oh,
Instagram. Okay, my name is Pretty Dimples on Facebook.
pretty dimples.
Pretty Dimples. Not nipples.
I thought you said that was very
Pretty
sad.
nipple.
Oh, I think I might just change that. Pretty Nipples.
I'm sorry. I thought that's what you said. I'm so sorry.
Pretty
Pretty
nipple.
Dimples 24.
What is it, Dimples?
Pretty Dimples 24.
Okay, what's yours?
My name is Sweet and Simple.
Sweet and simple.
Mine's Misdemeanor Beauty.
Misdemeanor Beauty, and he is a beauty, huh, guys? Check him out, guys.
I'm
Check him out, guys. I think he's single.
I'm single too.
What's your name?
Big Booty Judy 35.